Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa.
Hello everyone, my name is Fafa Gilbert and welcome to my Creative African Cooking channel Ndudu by Fafa.
And on a cold winter day in London, here I bring you my simple grilled chicken, but not as you know it. It's smoky, it's delicious, and it's a must try. Quite healthy as well because everything's actually been roasted. So here we go, now let's start cooking. To start off this recipe, I've actually marinated my chicken. So I've taken the skins off my chicken thighs and I've marinated in ginger, onion, garlic, yogurt and some aniseed, and I placed this in the fridge. Now I'm going to move on to my roast potatoes. So I've actually got those beautiful sweet potatoes, and there's a red one and then the white ones. So what you do need is to actually peel these skins off the potatoes. You can use your potato peeler, not a problem, but I've just used my knife here. But please do take necessary precautions when you're dealing with sharp objects as well. And I'm actually just going to roughly chop this into big chunks. It doesn't really matter how you actually cut it. But what I'm actually going to do is actually roast the potatoes. So I've actually peeled it and I've washed it. And at this point, I'm actually going to add some salt to taste because, of course, you need your dish to be tasty. And I'm going to mix this all together till it's actually well combined. Now at this point I'm actually going to be adding my coconut oil, and I'm adding about 1 tablespoonful of my coconut oil. I'm going to spread it over. So that's just what I just need for this recipe. This is so easy, so you can go to the market and do this quickly. At this point, preheat your oven to 180 degrees and then just place your potatoes in the oven and cook this for about 35 minutes. It would end up being soft and just crunchy and beautiful. Now moving to my chicken. So I'm actually removing my chicken pieces from its marinade and transferring this to my baking tray here. Now, all you then need is to add some oil. So I'm adding just a little bit of olive oil. So this is like a shabu shabu dish to make. It's like a no fussy one pot sort of dish. But of course I have to add my flavors. So I've actually got some dried oregano. These are organic oregano that I got. And I'll tell you what, they are so scented and so beautiful. So they really work with this recipe. So it's just like giving us like this Mediterranean influence here. At this point, add your smoked paprika. You do need a smoky one to give this dish that smoky taste. So you have this aromatic flavor from the oregano as well, and refreshing taste from the yogurt. So this is like a must-try recipe. Now marinating your chicken in the yogurt as well, it actually breaks the fiber, so it actually makes it moist. So it means that when you actually bake this or grill it or roast it, you end up with this beautiful moist chicken. This is a must-try recipe. I always say that about my recipes. Must try, of course, because I believe in them. Anyway, I have used chicken thighs for this recipe because I believe they're actually more flavor packed, and as well as it's got that beautiful texture. But you can use any part of the chicken that you do prefer. So add this to your preheated oven and grill this or bake this, whichever way you prefer, for at least about 30 to 35 minutes. So it cooks actually the same time as your potatoes. Here you have your crunchy baked potatoes. They're so easy to make, so especially like on a day that you're tired, this is called bish bash bosh. You just place everything in the oven and you just sit for it to cook. And I'm just trying to do my shenanigans because I want to take the perfect picture really. So this potato just being known to just stay still. And here we have our grilled chicken. Look at this. It's moist, it's beautiful. It's got that beautiful caramelized color. I mean, seriously, this is not any other food. This is Ndudu. Simply delicious. So now, yeah, just serve your dish and then do your shenanigans by, sprinkling it with any herb that you prefer. But I think that when you sprinkle with some parsley, that works just beautifully because of that Mediterranean flavor. So here we have our pièce de résistance. I know, I hope you are inspired to try this recipe. Leave a comment below and also just tell me what recipe you'd like to see next. I'll leave a transcript of the recipe including the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com, so do check it out. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as Ndudu by Fafa, so do pass by and say hi. Now, Until next time, surround yourself with great people, be a greater person, love yourself, be beautiful, be kind, and I love you. Take care of you.